Hey guys, hope you are doing well. Welcome back. Today's video is going to be an interesting video. Today I'm going to install the washer fluid reservoir cap. I don't have that cap in my car, so I quickly ordered and got the cap. So it is here. Let's do a quick unboxing and let's see how's the product, and let's do the installation. Watch the video till end, guys. So guys, this is the box which I have received. Let's unbox this quickly. If you open this, yep, you will get this cap. So in the box you will also get their card. This is the WAG motoring from this particular vendor. I have ordered this. So I always like their package and this visiting card as well. So they have all OEM parts of Volkswagen, Audi, Skoda and BMW, so you can contact them. So I'll keep this aside and let's show you guys this. So this is the cap, guys. You can see they have mentioned Volkswagen Group. This is the genuine part. So you will get the product details here, complete details here. So yep, this is the thing. So let's open this. Okay, open this, you will get this. Guys, the quality is really good. This looks kind of rubber, like this is not plastic, silicone type of rubber. So guys, you can see this, and this is the lock. Okay, you can press this and you can open this. This is how it's going to be installed. Like here, this is going to be installed. So this is the cap. So compared to the last OEM one, this looks really good. So yes, let's install and let's see how it will look. So guys, first let's open the bonnet here first. So guys, this is where the cap is going to be installed. As I told, I don't have the cap here. So yep, let's install it here. Here you can see, here I have a cap. So this one is missing, so I'll install it here. Okay guys, so you can see I have installed it here, and you can close it like this and you can open it like this. So it's almost covered. You can see the corners. That's how it's looking now. The main reason which I have, why I ordered this, because there is a chances of rat getting inside, so that's the reason. So I hope it's sorted now. So this is how it's get locked, and if you want to open, just like this. That's it. It's done, guys. So this is very simple installation process. So you can install it by yourself. Yep, it's looking good. The quality also is really nice. Okay, at the time of installation, open this so you will get some idea to install it. If you close this and you install, it will not get installed. So open first, open the cap, open the cap, then install it. So yep. Okay guys, so we have installed that, and it's looking really good, as you all saw. And it's an OEM product. It's costed me rupees 850. One cap will cost you around 850 rupees. So I ordered this from WAG Motoring, as I showed you the card as well. So they have some amazing products with them. So if you want any kind of OEM accessories, you can contact them and you can purchase. So I will add the link in the description. I hope you liked the video. Let me know if you have any kind of doubts in the comments so I can help you out, or else you can reach me on Instagram. So there are amazing videos on the channel, so you can also explore that. So yep, that's it in today's video, guys. Meet you all in my next video. Till then, take care.